akuchigwere nopisa panguva inoitana kuti kotaurwa maversions ezvakasiyana siyana pamusoro pe the visit yakaitwa yesterday nema-service chiefs vakomana ve-joint operation command ma-retired generals ku-brigade farm. Panguva inoyi ma-warnings also they are being sent to these generals vachinzi, yes, we are accepting this cap 3, but we are just giving you another practical example. Ema 2017 generals na VP Constantino Chiwenga, they have learned, and as you can see, VP he has never attended the brigade farm just because he know people he is working with. Sada pina mashuko mdanyu kwa pana na retired Lieutenant General Sonska okay mapranga and over subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anamdanyu rachiti fellow generals and the war veterans. Massive bribes from Emerson Mnangagwa by only temporary silence. His plan is clear: retire every war veteran in the army. This year fact, not rumor. He betrayed VP Chiwenga and has already assassinated 52 generals who installed him in 2017. Do not be next. Your oath is to the Constitution, not to one man. Stay vigilant. Domashwana topana pana retired Lieutenant General Winston Chakauke Mapranga. So jamuru kuona ishi. Anaposta this picture amuru kuona aiwa komana ma service chiefs pawo chete ne vakona ve JOC vari ku farm. Chitiko chakashamisa vanhu yesterday just because day before yesterday Matinyarara made another post. Vanhu panguva ino Matinyarara vanongomona semunhu anongovavata kana semunhu anokupenga anotaura zvinhu zvemusoro wake achiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika anoda kusangana these retired generals nema-7 generals that time this month. Panguva ino vanhu vakati Matinyarara maybe arongozama kuda kungoita ma-views and the likes, but people they were shocked vachitoona reality ichiprevela pa-brigade farm. Pinako comment section videos of grow any more today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, continue to on the bell icon.